My mum had 2 miscarriages between my brother Richard and me. That's why he's a bit older. I don't know why I'm telling you this, really. Except it made a difference. She told me what it was like to lose 2 children, so I always felt a bit responsible. I always felt I had to try a little bit harder. You said there must be something funny in the family. There isn't. My sister's at college. She's going to be a doctor. I guess the only thing that's funny is that I'm the thick one. My mum looks after infants. She works hard for all of us. I do my best not to be private with her. I am a touch. I know she hates it when I don't say much sometimes, but I do try.
Do you ever think of yourself as actually dead? You know, like lying in a box with a lid on it?
No.
Nor do I, really. I mean, it's silly to be depressed by it. See, one thinks of it like being alive in a box. But one keeps getting to take into account the fact that one is dead. I mean, it should make a difference, shouldn't it? You'd never know you were in a box, would you? It'd be like being asleep in a box. Not that I like to sleep in a box, mind. Not without any air. You'd wake up dead for a start, and then where would you be? Apart from in a box.
It was Burma at the start of the 3rd week that set alarm bells ringing. Although not widely travelled, I am a man of the world, and the thought of my angel being undressed and ready for Postman Pat spurred me into action. Our nearest pillar box is at the end of the street, so that morning I crouched behind it and waited until just before noon when she approached, with the ink not yet dry. And as she offered that profane wafer to its iron lips, I leapt up and snatched it from her grasp. Back in the privacy of my own rooms, I tore it open and confronted her with its contents. "Pen pals," she insisted. "We're only pen pals."
Like sometimes I can get myself cleaned up, yeah, come my way into a friend's house. But it's only for a night. It never lasts. It never lasts with me. It's like there's a fork in the road where you're trying to make a decision, but sometimes you can't make a decision because of the kind of person you are. I mean, it's like they say, we all got free will. I don't think so. I think you do what you do because you're programmed that way. Not like programmed at birth and shit. I mean, that's got to be part of it, though. I mean, like all the words, all the bad words that you've ever heard or said, they're all in you.